Come on, full energy.
Hi guys, I'm Rasmus and I'm here with Saya and
Hello.
Renee.
Hi.
Today we are doing a special haircut.
I want to look like Logan Paul.
So we are going to do the Mohawk Logan Paul style.
Let's go, guys.
In this episode of Slick Hair TV, we like to get to know Saya better. What kind of hairstyle is your most recent and why?
Well, I've had this kind of mohawk thing going for about a year now. I've been trying to grow it and I've had it pretty long as well. But recently I just figured out I wanted to have a more fresh take on the mohawk. So a bit more trimmed on the sides and a bit shorter to give that kind of summery but still stylish vibe.
Messy but in control.
Exactly, yeah, that's just how I want to describe it. Yeah, subscribe!
Do it. What kind of hairstyle should you avoid?
I'm gonna say hairstyles you make yourself at home. So the thing I did is I just went into the bathroom. I found a cutting machine and I just cut my own hair like a mohawk. And it was a disaster to be putting it mildly.
The good old home hair salon.
Yeah.
Slick Hair TV is known for using a lot of hair products. Is there any type of wax you like the most or hairspray?
Usually what I do, because I want to create this kind of messy vibe and also bring out my natural curls, is that I use sea salt spray just to give it that kind of texture. Or sometimes if I want it to be more sturdy throughout the day and if maybe it's windy or something like that, I'll put in some wax.
You told me there'd be better days and nothing that can pull us under. You wanna take the pain away, but know that I was born as a fighter. We fade, but we're better than that. We're better than that. I know you know, so why are we holding on, holding on? Hello, yeah, seems like we're back on start, but go. I go red and you go left before it turns to red. It's true. Hello, yeah, I hope that we could work it out. We'll never be enough for you. No shed a tear or two for good. There are other ways and other reasons, but only one that cuts to pieces. So why we tryna hide from trust when we could just leave? We fade, but we're better than that. Yeah, we're better than that. I know you know, so why are we holding on, holding on? Yeah, seems like we're back on start, but go. I go right and you go left before it turns to red. It's true. Yeah, I hope that we could work it out. We'll never be enough for you. No shed a tear or two for good. Hardest thing to do. Did it all for you. Hardest thing to do. Did it all for you. Hardest thing to do. Did it all for you. Yeah, seems like we're back on start, but go. I go red and you go left before it turns to red. It's true.
Sire, if you have to give one important message to the viewers.
Well, I actually enjoy quotes a lot, and I've a lot of them written down because I really enjoy them. And whenever I'm in doubt or stumbling in life, I always find myself looking at my quotes and regaining strength. And the one I want to bring to you and preach today is, be the man you want your son to be.
Wow, yeah, that's a strong one. I stumbled upon one of your quotes, which was about tequila. Cannot fix your problems, but it's worth a shot. We all know you have pretty cool hair today, but how did it look 10 years ago?
Exactly 10 years ago, I was drunk with my friends that just started college, and I made the crazy decision to make one of my other drunk friends cut my hair. And I just went completely bald on the sides. I had the biggest mohawk I've ever had, and my mom was so pissed at me when she saw me later.
Could you make the pencil kind of look?
No, it was kind of wide, but yeah, it looked insane, to be honest.
Damn.
I absolutely love it. I think she did an amazing job.
Remember to write a comment and push the like button. And subscribe if you haven't yet. See you guys next time. We have some very exciting news. Well, we just hit 200,000 subscribers. We're very grateful to have your support and keep continuing spreading the word of Slick Hair TV. It helps us a lot. Remember to click that like button as well and share it with your friends on Facebook and Twitter.